Listen, y'all, I said I've tried this style once and it failed, and boom. Come on. I gotta give myself a pat on the back because, girl, ooh, this is gonna probably be my new favorite look now because it's the ends for me, honey. Like, it's so cute. Like, what's up? Like, new me. Like, what's up? New year, new me. Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, y'all, I want to try something that I have not succeeded at. And that is doing a swoop bang. I want to do that so bad to my hair. I feel like it's so cute and professional looking. And I mean, I just feel like my features will pop with that type of hairstyle. So I want to go ahead and do that. So y'all, my hair is freshly washed. I didn't do anything to it. I let it air dry. And I'm not doing really much to it. I'm really just wearing this bun for the next few days until I get my knotless plaits in. But this is how my hair looks right now. And since I've had this color, my hair doesn't feel dry. I actually feel like my texture of my hair has kind of changed a little bit, but for the better, not for the worse, okay? But I really love the way that this color looks. Like, this color is like growing on me more and more every day. So I'm just parting my hair right now. It's best to part your hair in two sections. First part will be your little swoop right here. Then the second part will actually be your bun. So I'm parting my hair to those two parts right now. And I'm making sure I want it, like I said, I want it to be kind of deep, but I'm just trying to, you know, get a feel of how deep. So I know y'all seen the verses between Keisha Cole and Ashanti. And I'm trying to figure out who y'all was with. The Keisha Cole was it Ashanti? For me, I can't choose. It's a tie. I love both of their music. And it's just like two different vibes and I can't really mix them, if you know what I mean. Like, I feel like Keisha Cole music is like coming from a really, really hurt place and it's like uplifting and you know, just powerful women empowerment. And then you got Ashanti is just like feeling good, happy, and I don't know. They both got, I don't know. They both got some songs that I can relate to that I've listened to over and over and over and over again. So it's just like, for me, it's a tie. I never feel like the verses I need to pick one. I always feel like it's a tie. So I'm going in with some rubber bands. I'm just wetting my hair a little bit because it's easy to work with. And I know that it's gonna be looking wavy and I want the little waves, you know? So I am putting my extreme gel, and I feel like this always works for my hair. So good. And I am gonna be taking out some sideburns, a good little amount like that. So right now we just, you know, getting our ponytail together before we actually do our swoop. So you wanna brush all your hair into the ponytail. I'm putting a little bit of the extreme on my sideburn right here because, like I said, I want it to be left out. Okay, so I feel like we got our little ponytail together. We got something going on back here. Y'all, my hair is getting so long. It's crazy. I don't know what I'm gonna do because if you know me, you know by this time I would have cut my hair into a bob just because I love bobs. Like, that's my go-to hairstyle, period, okay? Okay, so I'm just going in, putting the extreme on my head. And I am gonna use some Got To Be Glued just to, like, you know, seal the deal. But I'm gonna do that later once I got everything to my liking. Okay, so I have to put some more water at the end because I obviously need this to be a little more wet to work with. So I just put a little more water on my hair. I have all of my hair together. So I'm gonna put my rubber bands back on. I don't know if y'all can see this right here that's poofing up. That's what you want to try to get as flat as possible. So that's why you want to keep combing it. But like I told y'all, it just takes so much of combing, because every time you comb it, it gets out of place. You can have it perfect, and then you see one little thing out of place, and when you comb it, it gets messed up. So that's the thing about these type of ponytails. It's very tedious, should I say, to get these ponytails right. Okay, so I have my Got to Be Glued, my sidekick, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair. I haven't put it in a bun yet, y'all, so that's why you still obviously see my hair. I am about to put it in a bun in a second though. I'm just trying to make sure everything is to my liking before I put it in a bun. And if you have the type of comb that I'm working with right now, which is the one with the metal thingamajig on there, at this top piece right here, make sure you like press down on it so that it gets straighter. Yes, some of the gel is gonna come up, but that's okay, whatever. We're gonna put it right back on the hair. But this just helps it lay flatter. Okay, so I am going to put on my headscarf and let my hair dry for a few minutes before I wrap it into my bun. And like I said, you want to make sure everything is, you don't want your hair to be looking spacey like you got a bald spot, okay? Please don't do that. That's what we not gonna do. It's 2021. We want to make sure our hair is evenly spreaded, okay? Finesse it as much as you can, like, you know, but we not trying to make it look like we got any bald spots, because this type of hairstyle would definitely do that, because the way that you have to comb your hair is separating your hair. So you have to make sure that you gather the hair back up. If not, baby, I don't know, that's not gonna be right. That's all I'm saying. So I got my little headscarf. Y'all know I love my little headscarf I got from, I think it was Beauty Exchange. And I'm just gonna wrap this on my head, tie this up, give it a few minutes to dry. And I'm tying it tight too, y'all. So, okay guys, I am back. I did put a little heat to my hair, so I did blow dry my scarf to help it dry quicker. And this is what we have. It's very stiff in the back. So what I'm gonna do now is put everything into a bun. So I'm gonna take off this rubber band that I got on right now. And this could actually be a style too, y'all. So don't sleep on it. Okay, so I'm taking my rubber band and I am just gathering my hair. Wow, that really just popped. See? I don't got no more scrunchies, y'all, so that's why I'm using these rubber bands. Or I don't know where my scrunchies at. Somebody probably took them. Okay, so here's my hair back here. You can do this two ways. You can twist this. It's up to you. And you can wrap it like this. All you have to do is just put on another rubber band. That's one option that you could do. The option that I'm gonna do is take another rubber band and I am just going to wrap it around, pull my hair through. And this is how I do my buns. This is what I consider as a bun. I know that you could, you know, wrap it, like I said, the first option but this is what I consider to be a bun. I still like it to have like a little, you know, poof to it in the back, but it's very nicely tucked underneath, so you can't really see nothing. And that's what I would call a cute little bun, y'all. Still got my sideburns going on. I'm gonna keep that like that. I also have it on this side, kind of like shrunk to my face, but yeah, so. And I feel like these are like the buns that, you know, Jada and Des would wear. I really like these type of buns. You can also clip, you know, put like little jewels in your hair. You can also put bobby pins if you want to keep it, you know, a little tighter. But for me, this is how I wrap my regular hair when I'm not even trying to do a bun. And I've just gotten so used to it. So you would need 2 rubber bands, just wrap it around and you're good to go. And like I said, this look looks so professional, so cute, so clean, and it was so simple to do, y'all. Go ahead and try the style, y'all. Don't knock it unless you try it, period. All right, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. As always, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself, especially in 2021. Peace.